I actually thought I've seen it all until I began to see Facebook ads of fake Amazon KDP gurus out there that are trying to deceive and swindle people of their hard-earned money just to sell them information that is outdated. Now, there are some guys out there who really wants to make money online, and they have chosen the vehicle to be book publishing. Now, also, there are some people out there that are claiming to be gurus and coaches out there selling the information that can help them make this amount of money, which is false. A lot of people have bought these courses and they don't get results. Now, if in 2026 you are someone who wants to make money online and the vehicle you want to pursue making money online is book publishing, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, I've actually tried my best to make sure that I have over 120 videos on this YouTube channel that people can consume, watch the principles in the video, and make money with it. Most people have watched my YouTube video, applied it to their Amazon KDP business or their publishing business in general, and made money from it. Now, before we actually go into the depth of this video, this is one of my students, and this is how much he made in 30 days. This is another of my students, and this is how much he made in 30 days. Now, this is Mishak, and in January 2026, he made $9,400+ in a month, in 30 days. Now, if we convert that money to Naira, that will be about 14 million Naira. Now, in the following month, which was February, last month, he made about $4,000, close to $5,000 in his Amazon KDP business. Now, this is another of my students who also made over $2,000 in a single month. Now, the reason why I am sharing these testimonies with you is that there is a predictable information that can get you results in this business. But most people, don't have opportunity to lay their hands on this information. Maybe someone haven't told them about me, or they have not come across my video, or maybe they are the type that scroll on Facebook and see ads of these fake KDP gurus. Now, in 2026, if you want to go into the business of publishing, not just Amazon KDP, there are a few things that you must understand that have changed in the business. Now, this is a business that can make you a whole lot of money, but you need to understand how to do it. This business is operated in a place of knowledge, not just guesswork. I have students that have done it, they are doing it, and the reason why I'm the perfect person to actually show you how to do this is because, first, I have over 500 students from across the world that have tested the information that have gotten these guys these results. You get? So in 2026, the way you run your publishing business has changed. That is one thing you need to know. Amazon KDP and book publishing is not the way it used to be before. If you are using, the knowledge you have in 2022 to run the business of publishing in 2026, you will fail because it is not the same. The game has changed and people need to actually understand it. That is why a lot of publishers are suffering because they publish book. They don't know that Amazon have actually took their rules and regulations, their publishing guidelines. They put a book ad there, the book get blocked. They put a book ad there, the account get terminated just because of what? They are not in sync with the current information that is powering these platforms. You get? It is one thing to start a business. It is another thing to make sure that you are updated in the business that you are doing. If you are not updated, you will be using 4 years ago information to run a business that is flourishing in another set of information, which is killing a lot of publishers today. You get? On Amazon KDP, in 2022, you can create 10 accounts a day, publish even empty notebooks, and that book will go live. But in the Amazon KDP of today, you have to be very careful and make sure that your book comes out well. You create a quality book before you even put it out to the platform. Even when they have to mistakenly block your book, you can defend this book because you have written a good book. Number 2, the algorithm has changed. The way Amazon ranked books before and the way the system works, it is not the way it used to be. It has changed. So if you bought a course in 2022 and that is the same course you are using to publish and operate in this business, you will put a book out there and your book will never be found. How do you place those keywords that can help you sell? Now, first of all, I have a very important gift in this video for those people who want to publish on other platforms, and also for those people who want to learn how to publish on Amazon KDP correctly. Number 3 thing you need to know is that outdated information are being sold to you in a business that the wheel of information has changed. Some people go ahead to download a lot of YouTube videos that are created 2 years ago and package it in a course. Most of these coaches out there actually do it. Package it in a course and they say to people, okay, this is because you can use these videos to get certain results that are no longer valid in today's market. They package it in expense of, I have sold you a course and you have paid me money and our business is finished. You get? Now you see these same people, because that's why I actually get a lot of people come to my DM and the first complaint they get is when they want to get the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint is this: I have bought this course, I have bought this course, I have bought this course. I hope this course is not like this because I didn't get results. You get? And I hate to start explaining myself. That is why when I create these videos, I just start with the result of the student that I have trained. I have Indians in my mentorship that I have trained that are making money in the business. I have people from the UK that I have trained that are making money in the business. This is just pure a person who is into the business of publishing, creating a solution for people who want to go into the business and they are succeeding with it. You get? It's not someone who doesn't publish books but has the skill of marketing. There are some people who have the skill of marketing. They can promote anything and sell anything. That is why a lot of people fall into this scam. Imagine someone telling you that he will write one book for you and you will make so amount of money, but that person cannot put a book on the platform. Now he writes this book for you and you discover that this book is a trash. And in the business of publishing, you need to know how to write good books yourself, because it is only good book that sell. That same keyword that you are writing, other people are seeing that keyword and they will write on it, which means you have a competitor in that particular keyword. How can you now create a book that can be better than your competitor's book if you don't know how to write a good book? If you don't know what a good book actually is. There are elements of good book. If you don't know it, you don't know it. So operating on outdated information is something that you should not be doing. You have to go to the person or get people that have current information about the business. Now let's look at the guy that actually made about $9,400 in a month, and in the next month he made about close to $5,000. That is about roughly $14,000 in a single month. That is in 60 days. This guy made $14,000 in 60 days. If you convert that to a Nigerian naira, that will be around 18 million naira. This is something that someone made in 60 days for just publishing 3 books. Now, how did he get the information that enabled him? Because just like I said, this business is operated in a place of information. If you don't have the right information, you will publish and publish, and your book will not sell. How do you trigger sales? How do you know that this particular book that you are writing now will sell? Because there are indications. If I want to write a book, I already know that this particular book I am writing, it will sell because I have done my market research. I know that there is proof of sale in that market. And a lot of people don't even understand what proof of sale means, which is simply a buying power in that particular niche that you are publishing on. It is that simple. This is not something you have to do guess or this. It is that simple. So operating Amazon KDP or book publishing, and if you want to succeed with it, there are some few things that you must do. One, you must seek new information that are currently working in the market right now. What is that information? How? Now, one of those information is, first of all, if you are publishing on Amazon, currently Amazon is rolling out series of emails for people to verify their account. How do you verify your account? What is the current mode of verification? You have to submit an ID card carrying your face, and you also have to do facial verification. A lot of coaches don't still teach this. You understand? This is one. So if you will succeed in 2026 with book publishing, which is a very lucrative business that can earn you a lot of money, because if someone can make $14,000 in 60 days, that means it's a very lucrative business. That is 18 million naira in 60 days. That is 9 million naira every month if you have to actually divide it into 2. That means the business is a business that can actually make you rich. It's a business that can actually make you rich. A lot of potentials in it if you have the right information. 2, you need to diversify to other platforms. The only platform people do know, and most of those coaches are they teach, is Amazon KDP. Now, in a situation whereby Amazon KDP is frustrating you just because you don't know the current information that works for the platform, there are other platforms that you can still explore that will make you good amount of money. I will mention a few of them. We have Apple Books that you can publish your book on and sell very well. We have Google Play Books that you can publish your book on and sell very well. We have the direct competitor of Amazon in the US, the platform that actually has the largest and the biggest physical stores in the US when it comes to book publishing, Barnes and Nobles, that you can also publish your books in those three formats: ebook, paperback, and hardcover. We also have platforms like Kobo that you can also publish your book on. These are different platforms that you can diversify on. If you know how to navigate yourself through this platform, you will make money. And these platforms alone, you don't just go into them. You have to know the books that sell in this platform. You have to know the books that sell. For Google Playbook, for example, Google Playbook is a platform that when your account is being verified and your first book goes live, you can publish series of books without the, having in mind that, okay, one day my book is going to be blocked. That doesn't happen on Google Playbook. One day, Google Playbook is going to ask me for verification. That doesn't happen. One day, this is going to happen that will affect my royalties. That doesn't happen on Google Playbooks. You can do 3 books on Google Playbook every single day without the fear of getting your book rejected. You get? So this is a platform that you can explore. And Google Playbook, if you want to succeed with this particular platform, you have to put a lot of book to show the algorithm, especially not only a lot of books in the right niches that sell on that platform. So number 1, seek for current information. Number 2, diversify to other platforms. And number 3, you need a real mentor with the current information. Now, the reason why I started this video with the testimonials of the students is to show you that, okay, if you want to go into this business, there is an information that can enable you make this amount of money. These are real people that are making real money in this business of publishing. And this is as a result of the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint. Now, this is where my bonus actually comes, and you need to pay attention. This is as a result of the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint, which is the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP course, mentorship blueprint. Now, in this course, you will not only learn how to, because what most people actually carry as a course is, if they can give you a video on how to register your account and give you a video on how to upload a book, it means they have sold you a course. You need to know how to find the exact keyword that sells. Now, the book that made this guy $9,400 is just 3 books. 3 books that he was sure, with the right information that he has gotten from me, that this book sells. So if you are writing a book, you have to be knowledgeable enough to know that what I am putting out in this platform will sell before you even put it out. What I am putting out in this platform will sell before you even put it out there. You have to be sure. Do you know how to do proper keyword research to get intent and people buying keywords that people can spend money on? That is one thing. Finding keywords that people are willing and ready to spend money on even after the first day of publishing that book. There are some niches that you do a book today and in the next day that book is started selling because you have done your market research and you have seen that this particular book and this particular niche, this is how it works. There is a lot of people who are crying for information, which is your offer, which is your book, to be put on this platform for them to buy. It is that simple. Now, if you don't possess this knowledge, it will be hard for you to get these results. So I am not just showing people how to publish books. I am showing them how to publish predictable books that sells. This is what I'm actually going to be doing for you. If you have watched this video up to this point and you want to get into the ZTH Amazon, you want to get my mentorship. 1, you'll be getting access to the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, which is the main book publishing course. Now, this course is not just for Amazon KDP alone. This course teaches you how to become a book publisher in general. It's not focused on niche. It teaches you to have an information that you can look at a niche that you are interested in and you can create a book on that particular niche. So it is not something that some people will come to my DM and will now start asking me, which niche? I have students that from the information I have given them, they have chosen that particular niche they want to focus on. Use that same information know how to structure a book in that particular niche, do a book on it, and also succeeded with it. The guy that made $9,000, the guy that made $700, these people are operating on different niches with the same information that is predictable. So you don't have to buy a course, and because the course creator explained with a particular niche, it means you have to be tied to that particular niche. That is not how this course is. So it's a full book publishing course, not just Amazon KDP. So the knowledge you actually have from there, you can use that to write good book that you can publish on other platform. Now the bonus I have, now this particular course is just 30,000. Now the bonus I have here is, because of a lot of people are facing verification issue, book blocking issue, termination issue, I have different courses on this platform. I have a Google Playbook course, which is called the Playbook Profit System. This course is 20,000 naira. You'll be getting it for free. I also have a Barnes and Noble's course, which I told you they are a major competitor with Amazon in the US. Now, the highest buyers, the people that actually have the highest buying power when it comes to books is the United States. So if you have a platform that directly competes with Amazon, it means you must leverage on this platform. Barnes and Nobles. You will also be getting this for free. So you will be getting 2 courses for free. Now, the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint comes with 2 extra courses, Kobo Book and Apple Book. Also, if you are getting the offer and if you are taking my offer in the next 48 hours, you will also be getting a current video on how to get an Apple Book account that works and that you will not have issue with. Pay attention. All this, the only thing you need to pay to get the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint, that is 30,000 naira, the Google Playbook code that is 20,000 naira, the Barnes and Noble score that is 20,000 naira, and the current video on how to publish on Apple Books that is 15,000 naira. All this put together will be close to 70 to 80,000 naira. You just be getting it for 25,000. That is, if Amazon KDP has frustrated you and you first of all want to learn how to become a book publisher, publish books that you know that this particular book I am publishing now, it will sell. You will get the ZTH course. And it has frustrated you to the point that you need to explore other platforms. You'll be getting the Barnes and Nobles. You'll also be getting the Kobo Apple Book. You'll also be getting, the Google Playbook course. So all these put together, the only thing you need to get access to this is to sign up with 25,000 naira. Now, this offer is limited to just few persons, 10 persons alone. This is not, I'm not doing a giveaway to actually give everyone this opportunity. No, I only work with serious people who really want to make money. That is why if I have students, I have to vet them if you qualify to be my student, because I need people that can get results. The information I pass to these people are information that can make them money. But there are some people who will get this information and they are not ready to apply, so I don't need them. I need people who will pay that money, apply the information that is in this course that had made a guy 14,000 in 60 days and get the same result with it. It is just as simple as that. So my number will actually be attached here. You should send me a message on WhatsApp. Just send me, I am interested in the 25K offer. This is all you will be getting. Also, if you're having issue with your Amazon KDP verification, when you make the payment for this, you'll also be given a tip on how to verify your account. And I want to create a video on how you can, I already have a video in the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint code, how you can actually create ID cards, free and paid. I want to also be adding another video on how you can create an ID card, verify it in this current, situation right now that is happening on Amazon. So if you are getting the course, you'll be getting access to all this. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I am Value Bank and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.